Hello, future pharmacists. My name is Ben Stevens, and I am your instructional support specialist. I'm coming to you from the Drug Information Center. My office is right over here, so if you need me, feel free to stop by. And once you open the door, my office will be on your left. All right, so today I'm going to talk a little bit about my position and just a small amount about myself and how I am going to support you over the next 3 years. All right, so let's hide my video. So here is the instructional path that we follow at the college. You can see I'll support anything from the lecture hall, the AV equipment, all the way through the LMS process. We use Blackboard here into the exam software. You're going to take your summative assessments, your midterms, your finals, your big tests. So anything that you see on the screen right now, I will support from the faculty perspective and from the student perspective. One practical example. If you're asked to upload something to Blackboard and you're having issues, I'm your guy. If you're having issues uploading a test or downloading a test, also feel free to stop by or send me an email. So I have been in education for 12 years. I'm going into my 13th year. So I just want you to know that matters to me. My passion is education. I really like helping people get to where they want to be. I started as a special education teacher, as you can see, then got more interested into the technology side of things, started supporting other teachers, and that led into last year where I was the instructional support specialist. So this will be my second full year, so hopefully it's even smoother, but if you ever come across a suggestion, something that would make it easier for you, please feel free to let me know. This is the official write-up, the summary of my position. So I'm not going to read this for you, but just a couple of things to point out. The educational technology side and then the informational, the IT side, that can be a little confusing. I have an analogy for you, but what I want to point out is my focus is on your learning and your assessments and anything I can do to ensure that you are successful. So when people ask, well, what is it that you do here? Sometimes I'll jokingly say, oh, I help make the show go. Literally anything I can do to help you get you to where you want to be, that is my position. All right, so here's my analogy. I'm working on it. So right now, if there was a weaver, weaving in this analogy is learning. I know it's already kind of thin. If the loom breaks, if something happens, the system goes down, Wi-Fi, for example, goes down, that would be the IT side. But if everything seems to be working, but we're not happy with the results, from the student perspective, things seem unorganized, whatever the case might be, that would be my position. So if the technology is working, in quotes, everything seems to be working, but we're not getting the results that you want or the faculty wants, that's where I would come in. If you have a better analogy, please also feel free to stop by and help me out. All right, so I am not there today, but I would sure hope that you can remember my name, so I'm going in acronym style here for you. So my name is Ben, just in case you missed that. So here's what I'm going to do to support you. First, Blackboard. So Blackboard is our one-stop shop. Hopefully, any resource that you are going to hear about today or in the future, that can be linked through Blackboard. So when you log into Blackboard, that should be everything that you need for the College of Pharmacy. ExamSoft. Any issues that you come up with as far as assessments go or even reporting, I am here to help you with that. And then last but not least, anything I can do. I once found electrical tape for a student with a frayed cord. So depending on what comes up, I might have to refer you to IT. If you're okay with that, I'm okay with that. If you're not sure who needs to answer this question, I'm getting pretty good at pointing you in the right direction. So anything that comes up and you're not sure what to do, feel free to stop by the DIC. Last thing that I'd like you to know about me, judgment versus solutions. I am not the IT guy from SNL. I'm probably too old. You guys might not catch that reference. Just the frustrated IT worker. Not my style. I have zero judgment. Technology is always changing. It doesn't mean that you're not smart. You're in a PhD program. Trust me, I know you're all very, very smart. I am solutions oriented, so please never hesitate to stop by with a question, no matter what it might be. All right, well, that's about 5 minutes. I sure don't want to waste your time. I hope you have a wonderful orientation, and I can't wait to see you upon my return. Have a good one.